Hi, I'm Sandesh Agarwal. Basically, we are into an opticals field. It's related to an eyewear. We have 4 stores in the city, which is situated at Srinagar Colony, Khairatabad, Kachigoda and High Court. That both are attached with our clinic. Our brand is it's a Clear Vision. We deals with all the eyewear product which is required in our day-to-day life. Like we do the prescription glasses. If you take it either spectacles or sunglasses, which is very useful. It's not necessary that the person who has a correction in the eye should wear a spectacle or sunglasses. Even a non-prescription person, he can wear with the spectacles and sunglasses, which is much required to him because of his daily routine, as he is exposed to UV rays, outdoor and his day-to-day activities. Like the present scenario, most of the people, they spend long hours in front of system. As the system rays, what they spend 17 to 18 hours in front of system. As the rays what they get from the system, it's an ultraviolet beta rays, because of which many people they put their more strain, more pressure, and sometimes the water will be discharged from their eyes. But they are not aware that they must go with some plain glasses which will protect from the system. It's not that if they have power only, then they have to go with the spectacles. So it's a mandatory what it's following even in India now. Like if you take about the other countries, in European or any other countries, either a child or the person who watch TV more or who sit in front of system, even if they don't have eye correction, they protect their eye with a plain anti-reflection glasses. We hold our own workshops through which we give our technicians, they give their technical perfection at the time of fixing the glasses and all. And we don't compromise in quality wise. As we whatever we use, the product we use, which is useful to our eye, which is an ophthalmic and which is approved by the American Medical Association. As you see, many people, they are not aware. They are more exposed to, if you talk about apparel brand or if you talk about footwear, they are more keen to go for the good product. If you come to our eye care, they compromise in that segment. Like whenever they exposed to sun, whenever they exposed at the outer environment, they are not protected their eyes with that rays. They are not aware of that. Even that awareness is also increased. We are getting a very specialized glasses for that, as we call it as a polarized glasses, which protect from that UVA, UVB rays. For any age group, they can go with that glasses. As earlier I said, like we have 4 stores in the city. Two we deal with the complete fashion accessories plus the spectacles range, and the other 2 are with the attached clinic. As a client, he drops into our store to the Clear Vision, we have our in-house doctor where he can have the complete eye checkup, plus if any surgery kinds of any requirements are there, even that will be taken care. We don't compromise anything either in the quality or either in the service point. Clear Vision, we sincerely we give the service to the customers. We maintain our quality. We are giving it at a very reasonable price, very competitive price than any other competitor in the market.